This is an Okuma LT-10M with OSP 7000L control. Collet chucks on left and right spindle. Left spindle's running at 750 currently. $1,500. Nice and quiet. Right. Right spindle? Okay. C axis. Got a full C on main and on left and right spindle. Right. Again, they got right spindle, it's nice and quiet. Alright. C axis on the right. All of the tooling is mounted to the turrets, go with the machine. They have some extra holders that you can see in the photos. Let's see. There's the plug catcher right here. All right, machine can be inspected under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.